My name is Donna Plaveljanic and I'm the Senior Manager of Learning and Innovation at Relationships Australia Victoria. We're pleased to be launching the Centre of Learning and Innovation as our new title, undertaking training and development. The Centre for Learning and Innovation will provide brand new learning and innovative solutions tailored to the legal, community services, not-for-profit and corporate organisations and sectors. In addition to our brand new name, we're also pleased to be launching a suite of new service offerings under our innovation brand. So today we're launching the introduction of our mental health first aid accreditation training. The mental health first aid training provides a comprehensive opportunity for you to assess the safety and well-being of yourself whilst protecting those around you. The Mental Health First Aid Training course is the first new initiative that Relationships Australia will be launching, and a suite of new service offerings will follow in 2025. In addition, we're pleased to be introducing the brand new 12-week online couples therapy course. This course is a national online offering that takes more of a contemporary lens and focus on couples therapy. The course itself looks at couples today and tailors a suite of self-paced learning, theory and practical frameworks that allow you to be able to work through the challenges of today's couples. In addition to these offerings, we're also pleased to be launching our self-paced courses, which are available via our website. So we encourage you to watch this space for more updates on our new service offering into 2024 and 2025. In the meantime, if we haven't seen you already in our training programs, we look forward to seeing you soon.